Humanoid robots, exploring the future of artificial intelligence and robotics. The rise of humanoid robots. The concept of humanoid robots has captivated human imagination for centuries, from ancient myths and legends to modern science fiction. Today, advances in robotics, artificial intelligence, and materials science have brought us closer than ever to realizing the dream of humanoid machines. With their human-like appearance and capabilities, humanoid robots are poised to revolutionize various aspects of society. Anatomy of a humanoid robot. What defines a humanoid robot? At its core, a humanoid robot is designed to mimic the form and function of the human body. From bipedal locomotion and dexterous manipulation to facial expressions and speech synthesis, humanoid robots strive to replicate the physical and cognitive capabilities of human beings. This enables them to perform a wide range of tasks in diverse environments, from factories and hospitals to homes and public spaces. Applications of humanoid robots. The versatility and adaptability of humanoid robots make them ideal candidates for a variety of applications across different industries. In manufacturing, humanoid robots can work alongside humans on assembly lines, performing tasks that require precision and dexterity. In healthcare, humanoid robots can assist with patient care, rehabilitation, and therapy. In education, humanoid robots can serve as interactive tutors and companions for children and adults alike. Human-robot interaction. Central to the success of humanoid robots is their ability to interact with humans in natural and intuitive ways. Advances in artificial intelligence and natural language processing enable humanoid robots to understand and respond to human speech, gestures, and expressions. This facilitates seamless communication and collaboration between humans and robots, enhancing efficiency, productivity, and user experience. The future of work. One of the most significant implications of humanoid robots is their impact on the future of work. As these machines become increasingly capable and autonomous, they have the potential to disrupt traditional employment patterns and job markets. While some fear the displacement of human workers, others see opportunities for collaboration and augmentation, where humans and robots work together synergistically to achieve common goals. Societal integration. The successful integration of humanoid robots into society hinges not only on technological advancements but also on societal acceptance and cultural norms. As these machines become more prevalent in our daily lives, it is essential to foster a culture of openness, curiosity, and inclusivity. By embracing diversity and celebrating the unique capabilities of humanoid robots, we can harness their potential to enrich and enhance the human experience. The journey ahead. As we embark on this journey into the world of humanoid robots, let us approach it with curiosity, humility, and a commitment to responsible innovation. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and robotics, we have the opportunity to shape a future where humans and machines coexist harmoniously, unlocking new possibilities and redefining the boundaries of what it means to be human. In conclusion, the era of humanoid robots heralds a new chapter in the ongoing story of human progress and technological innovation. As we navigate the complexities of this exciting frontier, let us remember that the true measure of success lies not in the capabilities of our machines, but in the values and principles that guide our interactions with them. Together, let us build a future where humanoid robots contribute to a more equitable, sustainable, and compassionate world.